Hello guys, welcome to my AIO blog. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Palo Alto device. So this can be Firewall, a Panorama, or any M-series appliances. M-series, this includes the WildFire, log collectors, and stuff like that. Okay, so we have two cases. First of which is you don't know the username and password, and the second one is you have login access to the device. So first, as you can see, I am not able to log in. So I am going to show you factory reset without knowing the username and password. First thing to do is to get your console cable. Please take note that for the firewalls, it is an RJ45 console, and for Panorama and M series appliances, it is a DB9 console. So you're going to connect your console cable to the serial port and connect the other end to your laptop and use a terminal emulator such as putty, mobile exterm, or anything that you use. Particularly widely used is a putty. Okay. Now, once you have access to the console, you can see I am able to log in. Okay. So this time we are going to power cycle the device, and you can do this by unplugging the power cable, then wait for about maybe 10 to 15 seconds, then reconnect it. Now once you reconnect it, you gotta be fast. Okay, so in this case we need to boot to the maintenance mode. So in booting to maintenance mode, you need to interrupt the boot process. As you can see, okay, I will be interrupting. Okay, it will show you this one, type any key to interrupt the boot process, so just click any key. So after this one, you have 5 seconds to type MAINT. So after typing this, it will give me 3 options. Okay, after typing this, so the option we want here is the maint. Okay, so you just have to select it and then press enter. Okay, once you click enter, it will bring you to the maintenance mode. So this is the maintenance screen. Okay, so you just can click this continue button. Once it after clicking this one, it will bring you to another page. Okay, so this is the maintenance mode. So as you can see here, we have a lot of options. So we can see what is the maintenance entry reason. We can get the system info of the device. We can do the factory reset, which is what we're going to do. We can also perform disk check. We can see the log files. We can also see the disk images, and we can also select the running configuration, content rollback, set the IP address, diagnostics, and then reboot. Okay, so what we're going to do is to do a factory reset. So let's go to this factory reset option and then click enter. So once you're here in the factory reset, uh, you have to select which image you want to. Okay, so in my case, I have only one image because that's the only thing. Once you select that one, you just click this factory reset. Once it's factory resetting, it will take you around 10 to 15 minutes to complete the process. Okay, so after waiting for this factory reset to complete, we have here the option to go back to the maintenance screen or to reboot the device. In our case, we're just going to reboot the device, let it boot, and see the factory settings of the device. Okay, now it's already booted. As you can see, it's asking me to log in. So take note, it might take time before you can log into the device. This is a known thing about Palo Alto because it needs to complete the auto commit. So once you reboot the firewall, Palo Alto firewall, there is this auto commit that they call. So this needs to be completed before you can log in to the device. now I'm logging in. So as you can see, after logging in, it will ask me to change my password. Okay, so I need to re-enter it twice, and then okay, so factory reset is done. Okay, now this case, I'm also going to show you the other case, which is that you know your username and password. Okay, so if you know your username and password, we have two options. So we can enter the CLI command debug system maintenance -mode. So this command will reboot you automatically to the maintenance screen, which you don't need to interrupt the startup process. So once you enter this mode, just wait for it and you will be back to the maintenance screen. So I'm not going to do that, okay, because we already did it. So we have one more option. So if you know the username and password, okay, we have this another command, request system private -data -reset. So executing this command will remove all logs and configuration will revert back to factory defaults. So after that one, the system will restart and then reset the data. So just to let you know, this command will not perform the same actions as the factory reset of the device from maintenance mode. Okay, data reset will not do a zeroization of the data and will not erase the system disks. Performing a bit level recovery procedure can still retrieve the data from the device. Also, all the content packages installed will remain the same within the PanOS, but all the logs and saved configurations to the firewall will be cleared. Okay, so it will not zeroize the firewall. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching the IO vlog. Please tune in for more videos.